In this video I will show you how to design a beautiful Durga Puja banner design. First, create a new document. Durga Puja. Size is 8 by 3 inches. Press Shift and double click to rectangle. Set guidelines. First we create our background. Drag it left to right and press Ctrl G and lock it. Then place the shape. Ungroup it. Change the color to white and select power clip inside and place it inside. थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर लेंगे and it's all right. Then let's place the flower images. Use top T L for left. Select both T and then drag, Control and click right. Then Ctrl plus R to repeat and copy it and paste it. Rotate and drag to right. Align properly. Let's create the bottom design with these simple steps. Press Ctrl and Shift and click right. Then press Ctrl R for repeat. Ctrl R for repeat. Select both of those. Create a new page. Press P and create a new shape. Then place it. नीचे ले आए थोड़ा सा and select Smart Fill tool and create it. Then place the leaves. Select and press Shift, click right, press Ctrl plus R. Then next edit some texts. Press P to center it. And then also press it. Change the color to white for now. Add your address also. C B. and change the color. Okay, then let's edit some images. Choose transparent tool. It was my previous thing. Normal, rectangle, and this. Select the shape and press T and R. Distress. Then this image B for watermelon. And this. Font. Also some flowers. Copy it again. Change the direction. Place it there. Choose Ctrl plus Home. Ctrl plus. Drag it to front. And some flowers. Align it to bottom. Okay. And let's edit some flowers. Vector. Choose transparent tool. Select this and drag it like top to bottom. Change the color. Choose from the background. This is okay. And take a copy. Rotate. And take a deep color and place this image there. Let's change the images, color of images and shapes. Take it top and make the flowers white and this orange. Ctrl G and take to bottom. Okay. Take a copy of this and change the color. Effects, bitmap, convert to bitmap, bitmap, blur, wash and blur. So, and change to bottom. Select this and Ctrl plus plus. Select gradient tool and drag it top to bottom. change this to yellow, press F12 and select this. This is okay. Turn it to duplicate. Our design is ready.